Hi, thank you so much for 70 subscribers, and today we're making 2 pairs of earrings, and we're going to start off with the gold pair. I don't know what type of wire this is called, but I think it might be called a ballpoint maybe. Anyways, here we're going to add a pearl bead, and then we're going to be adding a topper. This isn't really called a topper, I don't know what it's called, but that's just what I'm calling it. And here we're cutting it. We're gonna give about maybe like an inch or 2/3 of an inch to it. We're gonna cut that. And we're gonna go ahead with our tool and bend our wire into an L shape. And here we're having to cut the wire because it was still a little bit too long, and now we are curling it with my tool. And here is the piece. We're gonna go ahead and make another one. Just like before, we are going to be sliding down the pearl bead onto the wire, and then we're going to be adding a topper. And here we're going to go ahead and cut it and bend and curl our wire. Okay, so we have both of them done now, and so I'm going to take our pearl piece and then bend the wire back a little bit and then add our little oddly shaped piece to it. As you can see, they're connected now. We're going to take our tool and bend our wire back to it. And as you can see, it does jingle. That's what we're wanting. We want a little dangle there. And so now we're going to do the same thing to the other one. And now here we have both of them completed. And so I found some of my fishhook earring backs, and we're going to go ahead and attach them to the pieces that I have created. So you're going to go ahead and bend the wire of the fishhook earring, and you're going to attach your little charm. And you don't have to exactly do this because not everybody has the exact charms as I do, but you can do your own little style. I usually go to Pinterest and I find like inspirations of what I want to do and what I want to create, and I just found something similar to these earrings, and you're like, I kind of want to do it my way with the beads that I have. So that is the first one, and we're going to do the same thing to the other one. And these earrings I will be wearing to my graduation party, and I just started this YouTube channel. And so if you haven't already, please hit subscribe, and that'd be so much appreciated. And thank you so much again for the 70 subscribers. And so now we have the pair of earrings. I think those are hearts. I don't remember. I'm gonna have to go back and look at the earrings, but I think those are hearts on them. Anyways, they're super cute, and we're just gonna adjust these a little bit. And now we're gonna start off with the silver pair. Now, I didn't have the exact same beads that I wanted as I did the gold. I didn't have a silver topper. Still, I don't know what it's called. But I didn't have one of those, and I didn't think the pearl by itself dangling down would look good. So I opted out or I opted in, either out, in or out, I don't know. Anyways, I used this silver bead, and I found that it did work really well. It did have a lot of holes in it, which it's still pretty cute. It's just not as smooth as I wanted it to be, but it does add a little character. Anyways, we're going to take our tool and start curling our wire. And we're going to go ahead and take our little piece and connect it to the wire and then close it back up. Now I'm doing the exact same thing to this one, so there's no need for me to explain it, so just go ahead and enjoy the music. And just like before with the gold pair, we're going to be taking our fish hook earring backs and just attaching them to the charms. And just like that, they're done. So thank you again for watching. And just a little reminder, just to subscribe if you want to or not, that's fine. And my favorite is the gold pair. Love gold. Wear gold to everything. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.